Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick one-day project. I'm making two planters from redwood. I'm using redwood because it's a rot-resistant timber. So here I'm just converting the timber, getting all the components out. So all I'm doing here is just taking that sawn edge off the wood. You get that furriness, so it's a bit nicer to handle. I'm using a sheet of MDF. Because it's square, I can use that to line up all the components and make sure when I screw it all together, it's all nice and square. Here I'm using the marking gauge just to mark the position of the corner blocks, and I'm using these spacers just to get consistent gaps between the planks. For the base, I'm just using some reclaimed exterior plywood. It's 3/4 inch thick, just some wood I found in the loft. Don't need the glove. I'll need to drill some drainage holes into that base. So I've decided slightly smaller holes, using 22mm, but I'm going to put more of them in here. So I think I put 4. Per section. Here I'm applying the first coat of Fortress Trade exterior wood stain. The colour I've chosen is golden oak. I got it from Screwfix for $14.99. There you go, all the woodwork's done now, so it's ready for lining. So now I'm lining the planter with a weed control membrane, so it'll allow the water to get through but keep all the soil in the planter itself. So it was a bit of a faff stapling it on, but got there in the end. And there you go, 2 finished planters with membrane, all done in a day. Quite a nice, easy project. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more videos to come, and some longer term videos with finer woodwork involved, and also a green woodworking workshop build to come as well.